So today we want to discuss about mail merge in Microsoft Word. So we are going to open our Word window. Just type Word to open. So blank document. Now let's first of all define mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to send a single document to multiple recipients. We intend to print a document that will be sent to many recipients without having to retype it over and over again. We are going to use mail merge for that purpose. Now I have an example here where we need to send certificates. We need to award certificates to staff members after they have participated in an event, in a seminar. So after the seminar they are issued certificates. So you are required to you are the receptionist and you are supposed to come up with these certificates. So instead of creating these certificates one by one, you can use mail merge. You just create one certificate, then the mail merge feature will allow you to send it multiple times. Now as a reception, you'll need their first names. The details that are going to appear in the certificates are the first names. We need the last name. We need the ID number. We need also the position. We need to know the position of the staff, and we need the last column. We need the certificate number. You can note those details down before we proceed. So I've said first names, last names, ID number, position, and certificate number. Now after this, the receptionist will go to mailings on the menu, click on mailings on the menu, then start mail merge. It's a letter or a document, just click letters, then proceed to select recipients. These are the recipients, these are the staff members who are going to receive the said document. So select recipients, type a new list because we don't have any list yet. We cannot say use an existing list. This is our first time. So we type a new list, click on type new list, then it will open a new address list window. In this new address list window, we are supposed to customize it to have the columns, the names, the details that I told you to note down before. So here I'm supposed only to have 5 columns, but as you can see here I have more than that. So I have to customize these columns and remove the details that I don't want. You click on customize columns, you remove the columns that you don't need. So just click on the column, you click on delete to remove it, click on yes, remove address line. So you are going to remove the fields that are not needed. I can start from the bottom so that it is easier. So you notice that I only have first name, last name. You can click on add. We have an add button. Just click and type in the column title. So I need ID number. You click on OK. Click on add again. Position. Click on OK. And lastly we said certificate number. You click on OK. Then you proceed to click on OK. Now you've customized those columns. As you can see on your screen, you have the columns that you needed, that I told you to jot down at the beginning. Now I'm going to proceed to add the list of the employees who are going to be awarded these certificates. So the first name of my person, so Nancy certificate 001. Click on new entry. So the certificate, you click on new entry. So I'm adding the last person. The list can continue, can be, or even be up to 50 people. So so now I've finished creating this list. I've said the list you can still keep on adding the list of recipients. Now at this step, it is important for you to click on OK. When you click OK, it will display a save as window, save address list window. Save this list properly in your own folder. Remember, we talked about saving documents into your own folder. So to quickly access this list in the future, save it properly on the desktop. So inside my folder, I'll name it properly. So this is certificate awards, because it is those names that I'm going to award certificates. You click on save. Now you are finished with the list of recipients. Remember, we've already finished. We don't need to edit. If you need to edit, you can remove the list, the person that you don't want from the list. But we are okay. We have saved the list. Now we are good to go. Now in your Word document, back to your Word document, you can start creating or designing the certificates. Type in the name of your institution. So Unity College certificate of participation. So this is to certify that press enter. This certify that remember, we need the names of the person. So we are going back to mailings on the menu where we left from. We are going to go straight ahead to insert field. So this is certify that first name of the person, insert field, first name. This list that you are seeing here came about when you are creating the list, the recipients list. So I'm going to insert the first name here, first name of the person. So this certify that first name, put a space between the first name and last name. Of, so continue typing of ID number. So we have to insert another field here, the ID number of the person has successfully completed a training course or seminar. Let's use seminar. And was awarded a training. Let's just go back and use training. Completed training as the position of the, so his position, so has successfully completed training as a, you insert the position field there, and was awarded this certificate. So at the bottom we want to insert the last field that you have not used. The certificate number will appear at the bottom there. You can format your text, just center line everything, go back to home tab, center line the text, increase the size, make sure it fills nicely to the whole page. Just after selecting, make sure it fills the whole page. So you can move off ID to another line. So format the title of the certificate. This is just to format, increase size, look for a nice font. So in my case I'm going to look for a font called Stencil. So click here and search for a font. Remember fonts, you can scroll to a specific font, letter S, Stencil. Reduce the size a little bit so that it fits. So certificate of participation, just select that. You can color that red. You can change colors so that your certificate looks presentable. I can change this font. I want a nice font, Algerian, like that. So this is certified that I can format the names. This is where the names will appear. Format it so that you have a nice text of ID number, are successfully completed as a position. So all the fields that were in that table are now inserted properly. You can change now. You can change even change your page to landscape layout, orientation, landscape, so that the certificate is wide. Like that. Wide is more presentable. Go back to home tab. Just increase size like that. Now we have more space because you've changed to portrait. Now this is my certificate. You can read through to confirm all the fields are inserted correctly. Now we can now go back to mailings again. On the menu you can click on preview results. Click to preview after inserting all the fields. Click preview results. Now you can read through. This is certified that Nancy Akinyi of ID2 has successfully completed as a teacher and was awarded the certificate. This is certificate number. You can use the next record icon. You click to view all the 5. Remember I had a list of 5 people, so my 5 list of recipients is there. Now if I want to finish, I'll just go to finish and merge. Edit individual documents, you click on OK. So if I want to finish, I've said click on finish and merge. Click on edit individual documents so that the documents are edited individually, so that this dialog box opens. Choose the option all, click on OK. So as you click all, you will see that this is page 1, Nancy Akinyi. In page 2, this is Benson. The list of recipients. In each page will have its own recipient, like that. You can now proceed just to make some decorations. You can use the page color. Remember we talked about page color sometime. So you can just change the page color. You can apply borders, page border, before printing your work. You click on OK, and then you have your document, your certificate there for each and every. Remember I've saved on time. I've not typed every certificate at its own, but I've just used one, and I've used mail merge on the menu just to do the process. So watch keenly, understand, and do an exercise. Get back to me if you have a question. Thank you.